Spotted Lake, Canada. In the Okanagan Valley of British Columbia, there is a lake unlike any other on Earth. During the summer months, as the water evaporates under the hot sun, something extraordinary happens. The lake transforms into a natural mosaic of blue, green, yellow, and white spots. Each spot is a mineral pool, rich with substances that have been valued for thousands of years. The Indigenous Okanagan people call this place Kiluk, the Spotted Lake. For them, this is not just a natural wonder. It is a sacred site, a place of healing, and a gift from the earth. For over 3,000 years, they have used the minerals from this lake to treat skin diseases, heal wounds, and perform spiritual ceremonies. Spotted Lake was formed millions of years ago in a valley surrounded by mountains. The lake contains high concentrations of minerals, including magnesium sulfate, calcium, and sodium sulfates. During winter and spring, the lake fills with water and looks like any other body of water. But when summer arrives and the heat increases, the water begins to evaporate. As the water disappears, the minerals are left behind, forming crystallized pools. Each spot is separated by natural walkways of mineral deposits. The largest spots can be several meters wide. The colors vary depending on the mineral composition and the time of year. Some spots appear deep blue, others emerald green, and some shine with golden yellow or pure white. Scientists have discovered that Spotted Lake contains some of the highest concentrations of minerals in the world. The lake holds magnesium sulfate, which is used in bath salts for muscle relief. It contains calcium and sodium sulfates. There are even small amounts of silver and titanium. These minerals are what give the lake its unique colors and healing properties. In 1979, a private investor purchased the land surrounding Spotted Lake. He planned to build a resort and exploit the minerals for commercial purposes. The Okanagan people were devastated. They fought legally and peacefully to protect their sacred site. For over 20 years, they campaigned, raised awareness, and negotiated with the government. Finally, in 2001, their efforts succeeded. The land was purchased and transferred to the Okanagan Nation Alliance. Spotted Lake was declared a protected cultural site. Today, it is managed by Indigenous communities who ensure its preservation. Visitors can view the lake from a distance, but swimming or collecting minerals is strictly prohibited. Today, Spotted Lake remains one of nature's most striking phenomena. It is a reminder that some places are more valuable than money. It teaches us about the wisdom of Indigenous peoples who understood the Earth's gifts long before modern science. And it shows that when people unite to protect what is sacred, they can succeed against powerful interests. Spotted Lake is more than a geological curiosity. It is a living testament to the connection between land, culture, and spirituality. A place where science meets tradition, where minerals create art, and where a community's determination preserved something precious for future generations. What do you think is more valuable, the minerals in the lake, or the story of the people who protected it?